I got the tires filled up with the topsoil. I took a total of 10 bags, so it's off to the next step, prepping and watering. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to go ahead and put mulch on top of our topsoil. It's basically the same way you did it to start with laying the newspaper down. Instead of putting topsoil on it, well, we're going to be putting mulch on it. I can probably get away with just using those 3 bags of mulch, but I already bought 4 and I have no other place to put it. Now, if you pay close attention, you'll see Blue Dog in the window supervising. Now, I went out and bought this Y adapter because I only have one water spigot outside. They make them in metal. I just got the plastic one. They seem to last just as long as the metal ones. The metal ones have little plastic connectors, and they just end up breaking after a while, just like these plastic ones do. So save yourself a few bucks, buy yourself a plastic one. Okay, they're pretty easy to install. You just twist them on. You want them tight, but like I always say, do not over tighten. They're made of plastic, they'll strip, they'll break. Just get it on as tight as you can. Next, we're going to add a hose to it. Now, if you notice, I'm not using Teflon tape or anything. As long as you got your little O-rings in place in your hoses, you shouldn't have any leaks. Now we're going to go ahead and add our second hose, which we're going to run back to the garden and hook it up to my soaker hose. So the only thing I'll have to do is come here, turn the water on, open up the valve, and it'll pretty much take care of itself. I went ahead and bought one of these quick connects so I can add it to my garden hose. That way I can connect and disconnect the garden hose from the soaker hose for when I mow. Once again, I got the plastic ones. I had the same problems with the plastic ones as I did the metal ones. The plastic parts dry out and they break. Now if you notice, this side's capped off. You can take that cap off and add another soaker hose. You want the end that doesn't have a cap on it, of course, and it just screws right in. Go ahead and connect the other part to your garden hose. And there you go. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching.